In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Meta Business Manager name. Whether you're rebranding, adjusting your business identity, or simply need a name update, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Meta Business Suite. You can easily access it by navigating to the Meta Business Suite homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to gain access to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which is your central hub for managing all things related to your Meta business. Now, from this dashboard, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a column of options. What you want to do next is click on Settings. This is the section where you can manage all your business settings and configurations. Clicking on this will open up a new page with various settings options. Once you're in the Settings menu, direct your attention to the option labeled Business Info. This is where all the essential information about your business is stored, including your business name, address, and contact details. Click on Business Info to proceed. Upon clicking, you'll be taken to a page where you can view and edit your business information. To change your business name, locate the Edit button, which should be next to the Business Name section. Clicking this button will enable you to make changes to your business details. Now that you have the editing options available, you can go ahead and change your business name to whatever you desire. Be sure to choose a name that accurately reflects your brand and is consistent with any other branding or marketing materials you have. Once you've entered your new business name, double-check to ensure there are no typos or errors, as this name will be publicly associated with your business. After you're happy with your new business name, make sure to save your changes. There should be a Save button or an option to confirm your new settings. By doing this, you ensure that your changes are applied across the Meta Business Suite. And that's it! You have successfully changed your Meta Business Manager name. This new name will now be visible in all areas where your business is represented on Meta. Remember, changes may take a little while to reflect across all platforms, so don't worry if you don't see them immediately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in updating your Meta Business Manager name. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Have a great day!